My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Okay, so today's video is going to be how to get glue on nails to look like acrylic nails, well, actually look like real nails, and also how to get them to last like a long time. There are certain things you can do to help prolong the wear of glue on nails. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. So if you would like to see those tips, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. So, because I am a nurse, I cannot get acrylic nails. So, but if you guys have been around my channel for a minute, you know I am extra and glam and I love having my nails done. So when I have a period of time off, like 4 days, I will put on some glue on nails. And they used to like start to come off by the time I was going back to work, but once I started doing the things that I'm going to show you, like it's been hard like having to take them off before I go back to work. Like, yeah, there were some that were really difficult to get off even after like 4 days. So these you can get them to last like over a week, like easily. So I'm going to be using these Kiss Fantasy nails. So just make sure you have any nail polish off. Okay, so here's what it looks like. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the nail file out. So they do, like, these kits give you the option of gluing them on, which is what I do. Or they also have like these adhesive tabs, but I don't think they work well at all. But I mean, unless you're wanting just to wear them for like one night or something, those would be a good time you could use them. But we're going to be gluing them on. And so I'm going to take some alcohol and we're going to rub our nails with some alcohol. You can thank my place of employment for the donation of these alcohol pads. And yeah, we're just going to rub our nails down with them. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to file my nails. So now you're going to take the nails and you're going to size them. And then we will lay them out. Ooh. Yes. These nails are so awesome. Okay. So I'm going to take the glue. And first, I put a small dot in like the base of the nail. You can see that. And then I also put some on my finger and kind of spread it around a little bit. Then I'm going to press it down. I'm going to hold it there for 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, and I'm just going to repeat that on all the nails. Okay, so I have glued them all down. Hold on. They're a little more sheer than I was expecting, but I really do dig them. Neon pink is my jam. So, and glitter too, like there's a little glitter one there, and this is kind of like a metallic. So, I should have told you to like push your cuticles back before we did this, but my bad. So now the last step is you're going to take some cuticle oil And we're gonna put that, you guessed it, our cuticles. And this is just going to kind of help make it look like it's your actual nail. I used to like never use cuticle oil, and now that I do, I was like, what was my problem? It's so amazing. With life-changing. Okay, so now you have freaking dope ass nails that cost you, it was buy one get one 50% off at Walgreens. I think these were 8 or 10, and then another pair I got were probably 8 or 10. So that's 14, say 7 or 8 bucks instead of like how much I used to get acrylic nails. Like I'm not remembering. I think it was like 40 or 60 bucks. And that was like when I was in high school. So a long time ago. So I can't even imagine now. But I think these look just as good. And I love that I'm able to still be glam and have nails on my days off. And yeah, I hope this helped you guys. And let me know in the comments down below if you are going to try it or if you have tried any glue-on nails recently. Yeah, let me know below. Alright guys, now I have to point to everything now. And I won't be able to do anything or open anything, but I'll look pretty. Alright guys, I will see you next time. Bye. Jazz fingers.